All right, me and Taz, it's Tater and Taz, we're gonna do a drive video. Hi, Taz. She likes driving cars every once in a while. She don't know how to drive a clutch, but shh, don't tell nobody.
I'm gonna learn one day.
Anyway, we're in a 1957 Chevy Bel Air two-door. This thing is museum quality. It really is. We're gonna do a test drive on it. We just pulled it out and shut it right off. We got to make sure it takes two people to get cars out so we don't hit nothing. And then as soon as we back it out, we shut it off. So it might have been running 30 seconds. So we're going to do a hit on it. Fires right up. It has the original straight 6 in it, inline 6, the 235. They call it the 140 blue horsepower, the 140 blue. It does have an upgraded 2-speed Power Glide V8 2-speed in it. We found out when we ran the numbers. And I'm pretty sure the owners said that it was all original, but I think that it was probably upgraded from the factory because this thing has been well taken care of its whole life.
It has all the manuals with it. The purchase agreement when they purchased it.
We have all that documentation. This, like I say, if anybody out there has a Chevrolet car lot or a car lot where they want a museum quality car to be put in the showroom to show off, this is one for sure. We're asking $69,900 for it. It's kind of
The double footed.
Alrighty, this is the original color to the car. It has one repaint, the original interior color, all been completely redone. This car is beautiful. We're both a nervous wreck driving it, but hey, we're having fun.
It is a little nerve-wracking with how beautiful this car is.
No power steering, no power brakes, no AC. The heater does work.
Gas gauge works.
Gas gauge works.
Speedometer works.
Speedometer's working. This thing is like a new car out of the factory. It's really nice. You can see all the underneath pics, all the still pics on our website, theraceshop.com in Eldon Mo. Check out our drive videos. We'll do a walk around video after we get done with the drive video. And you can always call 573-691-0223 and ask for Tater or Taz. This thing rides like a new car. It's very nice. When this car was brought to us, it's just like this. We didn't have to touch it.
Horn works.
Horn works.
It rides nice.
I think it's a museum quality car. It's done right from top to bottom.
I didn't even barely feel it shift.
Shifts good. It's got good brakes. Like I say, look at us on theraceshop.com, Eldon Mo. Check out all of our drive videos. Check out all of our other cars.
The odometer says 65,000 miles.
And the odometer says 65,000 miles. We don't know if that's the real deal, but I'm pretty sure by the looks of the underneath of the frame and everything that it is.
Doesn't seem to pull when I push on the brake to any side.
Okay, brakes are not pulling. Drives good. If Taz can drive it, anybody can drive it. She's a whole 5 foot something, and I'm not going to say the weight. You know how you women are about that. I'm going to say 110.
I wish.
I might get a gummy bear out of that one.
I guess maybe I can do what you do. Today I'm feeling 130 today.
Anyway, guys, check us out, man. theraceshop.com, Eldon Mo, 573-693-7223, and all the pictures and the walk-around videos and everything will be on it. From Taz and Tater, you guys have a good one, and peace out. Hey, we're doing the walk-around video here at theraceshop.com on the 57 Chevy two-door Post Bel Air. This thing is museum quality. Like I said in the drive video, it does have the original motor and a V8 2-speed in it instead of a 6-cylinder. This is a very nice car. There's original paint, original interior color, original interior color, and original paint. But it has had a repaint and a redo complete on the car. We go to the raceshop.com in Eldon Mo. Check out all the underneath picks, still picks. You can get a little closer on the other picks we got. I'm just doing a quick walk around for you. Got a good song playing in the background. Sings a sad, sad song. Very nice car. Very nice. This thing is museum quality. Go check us out, theraceshop.com, Eldon Mo.